So we pull 4 cards for this spread. The first card is something to love about myself. And we have the moon in reverse. So something to love about myself. What I'm getting is that something to love about yourself. You have a power within you, and you sense it, but you have certainly been feeling like you've been going through the ringer, just, as most of us have been feeling, I guess. But you just know that you have it within you to put yourself first and to persevere and to trek on. You may be plagued by anxiety and fears, but understand that they can't hurt you. They are simply shadows in the dark. And those shadows can come to light during the daylight. So it's understanding that anxieties and fears come and go. It's okay to have periods of uncertainty. But love that about yourself. I mean, these are the things that, whether it just, I feel like it's whatever light we paint them in, like these anxieties and fears, it's what we make of them. So we could grow from them or not, or start drowning in them, right? Okay, so where can I be more patient with myself? We have the 4 of Swords. Where can I be more patient with myself? Yeah, I'm really just getting that you guys are super hard workers. Maybe y'all work a lot, however that looks, whether it's for yourself or not. But this card indicates taking the time for rest and self-care. I see withdrawing from love life repeated twice. I see alone time and taking a break also twice. So it's those are very, that's very emphasized here. I know everyone has anxieties around money, right? It's just naturally there in a sense, but, well, I shouldn't say that. More often than not, right? But avoid overthinking about money. I mean, money is simply energy. It's so we just need to focus on our abundance, and what is meant for us will come for us, guys. So, but you're encouraged to take a step back from your daily life by either planning maybe a weekend getaway, doing a social media detox, incorporating mindfulness practices into your routine, however self-care looks to you. So make sure you're putting yourself first. Don't neglect yourself. If you feel like you're super low energy, it's when we put into ourselves, that's think about when you work out. Typically when you're done working out, you just expended a lot of energy, but yet you still feel like awesome, at the end of your workout. So where can I be kinder to myself? We have the Knight of Swords. Where can I be kinder to myself? Mm. I feel like this card is letting you know the way to be kinder to yourself is to, like, I feel like you've already manifested things into your 3D, so you're aware that you have the power to do so. So you're super high, like you're highly ambitious, and like you're working on, like, motivated to manifest your ideas. But this card is literally saying slow down and what, like, enjoy the journey. Like if we're constantly focused on the outcome, and we're putting our focus into the outcome rather than the present, and enjoying that, we, you know, think of the Nine of Cups card and how that gentleman there is pleasantly waiting for what's his to come. Like he knows it's coming. So now it's not a matter of when, but now I can sit back, relax. The universe knows what I want. My shit's coming, you know. Slow down, enjoy the journey. You know, just and take any necessary financial goals that will benefit you at this time. But your goals are within reach, guys. So just, again, slow down, enjoy the journey, be grateful. You know, maybe do, like, if you don't already, like, when you wake up, at least list, you know, 2 to 3 things you're grateful about, and just at least start your day that way. So we are going to wrap it up with the Fool in reverse, and this is energies and strategies to draw on. Okay, energies and strategies to draw on. Excuse me. Okay. It's like, again, it's like with the Knight of Swords, like just kind of slowing down and enjoying the journey. It's like you know, it's okay to be a little naive and foolish, like, and, you know, of course, within reason, but like, what was I just saying about you know, honestly, just drawing the energies of being more aware, of awareness. The reverse Fool serves as a caution that you should be more aware so as not to be taken advantage of. So again, I when I was saying, you know, have a little naivety and foolishness, like maybe it's saying, like, go out, have fun, relax a little bit, you know, again, within reason, whatever that looks like to you. Kind of tap in your inner child, like, but, you know, as long as you're not, yeah, but so have fun, but just obviously still be aware. Don't be reckless. so that you're not taken advantage of in whatever way that looks. And of course, no, we always want to protect ourselves, so we don't want to be taken advantage of by, at work, in a romantic connection, however that looks, by friends, family, anyone. So really nice reading here, guys. For sure. And this is the first time I'm doing this spread, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if so, and I'll continue to do more of these. But yeah, we're slow down, enjoy the moment. It's time for rest and relaxation. That's probably what I'll title this. So rest and relaxation, guys. Have a good one.